The Golden Butterfly and Mehnoor. Once upon a time, in a beautiful, serene village nestled between lush hills and flowing rivers, there lived a young girl named Mehnoor. Her name, which meant moonlight, perfectly captured the glow she brought to the world around her. Mehnoor had a heart full of dreams, a spirit filled with kindness, and a curiosity that was boundless. She spent her days exploring the woods near her home, listening to the whispers of the trees and the songs of the birds. But there was one thing that always intrigued her, the mysterious golden butterfly. For as long as Mehnoor could remember, tales of the golden butterfly had been passed down through the generations. It was said that this rare creature, with wings that shimmered like the sun's rays, possessed the power to grant one wish to anyone pure of heart. But the butterfly was elusive, never seen for long by anyone who sought it. Many had tried to find it, but none had succeeded. One day, while wandering deep into the forest, Mehnoor found herself in a part of the woods she had never explored before. The trees were taller, their branches intertwined, forming a natural canopy that filtered the sunlight into soft beams. She felt a strange pull, as if the forest itself was calling her. Intrigued, she followed the path, which led her to a small, hidden clearing. In the center of the clearing, standing atop a bed of soft moss, was a small, glowing flower. Its petals were a brilliant gold, unlike anything Mehnoor had ever seen. As she stepped closer, a soft breeze stirred, and from the flower's delicate petals emerged the golden butterfly. Its wings sparkled with a golden hue, fluttering in the sunlight like a small fragment of the sun itself. Mehnoor gasped in awe, her heart racing with excitement and wonder. The butterfly hovered for a moment, as though waiting for her to make the first move. With a deep breath, Mehnoor reached out her hand, and the butterfly landed gently on her palm. The creature's wings were warm, and Mehnoor felt an incredible sense of peace and joy wash over her. She had heard the stories, but to experience it firsthand was beyond anything she had imagined. The butterfly gazed at her with its tiny, wise eyes, and Mehnoor felt as if it were trying to communicate something important. "Do you have a wish, Mehnoor?" a soft voice suddenly whispered in her ear, though no one was around. She looked around in surprise, but the voice seemed to come from within her own heart. It was the butterfly, speaking to her in a way only the purest souls could understand. Mehnoor thought for a moment. She had many wishes, like any young girl, but one stood out among them all. She longed to bring happiness to her village, which had been facing a long drought. The crops had failed, and the rivers had dried up, leaving the villagers in despair. Mehnoor wished for the drought to end, for the land to flourish, and for her people to find peace once more. "I wish for my village to be saved," Mehnoor said, her voice filled with hope. "I want the land to bloom again, and for my people to find joy." The golden butterfly's wings fluttered gently, as if acknowledging her wish. It then took flight, soaring high above the clearing, and Mehnoor watched in awe as it danced through the air. The butterfly spiraled upwards, its golden wings reflecting the sunlight in dazzling patterns. Suddenly, a soft glow surrounded the clearing, and Mehnoor felt the ground beneath her feet vibrate with energy. The golden butterfly flew to the highest point of the sky, and with a final, graceful flutter, it vanished into a beam of light. For a moment, the forest was still. Mehnoor stood there, her heart racing, unsure of what would happen next. But then, the wind shifted. The sky darkened, and the sound of distant thunder filled the air. Mehnoor felt a thrill of anticipation, but she remained calm, knowing that something miraculous was about to unfold. The first drops of rain began to fall, light at first, but soon the skies opened up in a torrential downpour. The dry earth drank in the rain, and the trees began to sway, their leaves rustling with life once more. In the distance, Mehnur could hear the joyful shouts of the villagers as they danced in the rain, grateful for the long-awaited water. Mehnur smiled, her heart swelling with happiness. She had done it. The wish had come true. The land was saved. From that day forward, Mehnur became known as the girl who had befriended the golden butterfly and saved her village. She continued to visit the forest, though she never saw the butterfly again. But she knew, deep in her heart, that the creature had been a gift sent to her for a purpose far greater than she could have ever imagined. And so, Mehnur's legend lived on, a reminder to all that pure hearts and selfless wishes could bring about miracles, even in the darkest of times.